All right, you guys, it is here. The custom Aero wheels for my Tesla Model 3. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and I'm super excited. All right, let's take a look at these suckers. Safety is always cut away from you. Oh, snaps. Check this out. Super fresh little poster from Custom Aero Wheels. I dig it, I dig it. And then looks like the Aero wheels themselves. So this comes in two. All right. Okay, you guys. So when you go and place your order with Custom Aero Wheels, if you go online and check out their website, I'll leave the description in the bottom below, but you get to choose any color you want, up to your heart's content pretty much. You get two choices of the back, so you can either get black or you can go with their gray, and then you can pick out any color for the center. I just went with white. I didn't want to do chrome because obviously, if you guys know in my last video, I did a full chrome delete on the Tesla logo, but yo, this thing is fire. You guys see that? Woohoo! It's clean looking and it feels, wow, it does not feel cheap at all. You know when you guys buy something and it feels just so cheap? Now granted, this is 60 bucks, so it's not that cheap, but it's a respectable amount, and this thing feels solid. So let's go ahead, without further ado, let's take off those ugly looking default Aero caps and let's put on these Aero wheels by Custom Aero Wheels. Let's go ahead and install these, and I'm gonna remove these eyesores of Aero caps we got on here, okay? If you don't know already, you're in for a pleasant surprise. Most of the people already know this, but if you don't, welcome to the spoke wheels that Tesla has right under these trash looking caps. I don't care. I don't care if this is 5 to 10% more efficient. I'll take the 5 to 10% deduction in efficiency for something like that. These are hubcaps. Hubcaps are not fresh, okay? So, let's go ahead and slap these suckers on. Now, if you guys don't know, this is supposed to resemble their 19-inch sport wheels. So, let's just go ahead and align these. Wow. Wow, game changers. Let's install the other ones. Everyone's cutting grass today. And there you have it, you guys. Super simple install. Took me nothing but 10 minutes, honestly. So, apologize, everyone's cutting their grass. It's a really nice day out, so can't blame them. I can do this with the garage closed, but then you're missing out on the light. But, you guys ready for the reveal? So I just finished the install of the custom Aero wheels caps that goes over the spoke wheels in the Tesla Model 3s. And I gotta tell you, I really, really love them because it was either between these custom Aero wheels or it was gonna be between those Amazon cap kits that you get. It's got like black covers to cover the ugly looking bolts on your wheels and as well as a center cap. But I ran into, after doing some searches on YouTube, I ran into these custom Aero wheels. People are putting them on and they don't look too bad. They actually look pretty unique, and I love that because I'll make another video on why I traded my I don't even know if that's the proper word for this, but I went from a 2019 Tesla Model 3 into a 2021 Model 3. That's a crazy story in itself. That's probably like a 20-minute video, I'm not gonna lie, but it is really crazy, and it eventually ended up working out on my favor, so I can't be complaining. But because I had my 2019 Tesla Model 3 did have the 19-inch sport wheels. And if you look at the 2019 Tesla 19-inch sport wheels, they do have a cover, like a little cap in the center. And that's what these Aero wheel caps are supposed to mimic. Where'd they go? I mean, they look fire. I'm not gonna lie. They have my vote. I'm gonna review them, and I'm gonna give them nothing but positive reviews. I actually super dig them. And you can see here that they just absolutely transform the wheels. I love Tesla. But I don't like those Aero caps, guys. I really don't. I understand they give 5 to 10% efficiency. I'll take the 5 to 10% efficiency hit for something that doesn't look like that. Okay, as is my personal opinion. I know some people like it. It does, oddly enough, go with the car. It, like, you know, if you like the look of the Model 3, it ends up going and fitting in with the car, but it won't fit on anything else. But it just reminds me of hubcaps, and I'm not gonna have a $40,000 car with hubcaps on it. This car is so far ahead of its time. It's so advanced, and I'm not gonna have stuff looking like that. So I'm really pleased with the Aero wheels. And difficulty level, 1 out of 10, 10 being super difficult. This is like a 1, easily a 1. You pop off the Aero caps, and then you put in these Aero wheels. It slams right in the center. You align them and give it a nice hit, and it's good to go. And you have essentially completely just transformed your wheels. You have a brand new set of wheels. You went from these aerodynamic hubcaps to these nice spoke wheels with a nice center Aero wheel cap. So I highly recommend it. I have nothing but good things to say about custom Aero wheels. The product is damn good, and it's very much quality. What am I even saying? RJ, do you know how to speak English? It's high quality. When you feel it, when you touch it, it's solid. It doesn't feel flimsy or plasticky. And I like that. When you look at the initial price, it is $60. At first I was like, is it $60 for each? Thank God it's not. It's in that vicinity where it's not breaking your bank. And for $60, if you're thinking about it, you're getting wheels that look completely different from your default Aero caps. So totally worth it in my opinion. And the next thing that just came in, and I'm super excited, it's one after another. I love it. So the day before, I did a chrome delete on the Tesla logos to match the chrome delete on the accents on the side, like the door handles and the window accents. So I did a chrome delete on the Tesla logo. Looks sharp. Now the custom Aero wheels came in, installed those, looks sharp. And now I have these Icon mimic carbon fiber. I'm really excited because it's going to make the rear of my Tesla pop a little bit, gives it a little bit of definition. Because in my 2019 Tesla Model 3, I had a chrome bar that ran across. I got from, I believe it was Evanix? Yeah. They sold this chrome bar, and I think it was like $40, and it was super easy to install, but it gave the back just a little bit more character, so it wasn't too bland. And right now, because the new 2021 refreshes are chrome deleted, it would just look odd to put another chrome bar there. So I've got a carbon fiber lip spoiler, just a low profile to install. And that's going to be the next project. Right now it's 4:25 and sundown is 7:41. So about 3 hours. I think I can do it if I squeeze it in, but that's going to be for the next video. This video is about these custom Aero wheels. Again, highly recommend. 5 out of 5, 1 out of 10 difficulty, 5 out of 5 recommendation. If you have any questions or comments, just obviously post them below and I'll get to them. I'm super passionate about stuff like this because the Tesla Model 3s, to me, I hated the look when I first saw it, but it took my eyes a little bit of adjusting. But now I think they're one of the sickest looking cars, one of the sleekest looking cars out in on the streets. When you see them, you know, when you see someone put a little bit of time and a little bit of custom work on their Tesla, you just gotta tip your hat off and show some respect that it looks fire. It looks like a very sexy car on the road. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, do me a favor, please hit that like and subscribe button. I would definitely super appreciate it because I do intend to pump more Tesla videos out there for you guys. And I do have a reservation on a Cybertruck. So when that comes out, I think I'm one of the, I'm under 30,000 within the first 30,000 people that put in their reservation and booked it. So hopefully enough, I'll be one of the few that can create videos on it. So I'm super excited. Please help out the channel. If you guys are thinking about buying a Tesla or, you know, in the market to hopefully look at one, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral link below. You and I both will get 1,000 miles of free supercharging, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, much love, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully the next video is going to be the spoiler install. I'll see you guys next time.